As I mentioned, my name is Karl Hartmann. I am a practice architect in retail banking in Cisco's business transformation group. I'm here today to show you a solution that can be used to increase cross-channel revenue through a consistent and comprehensive account opening process. So we thought we'd start off and have a little video to introduce the topic.
Today's anytime, anywhere consumers and businesses are starting to take note of the changing retail banking experience. Whether it's efficient new branch layouts or mobile check deposit, banks are aligning with customer preferences to create a more meaningful retail banking experience. In this changing environment, banks are investigating new ways to acquire new customers and grow their existing relationships across distribution channels. The answer is being able to respond to a customer's inquiry with the right products accompanied by the right level of expertise to make their buying experience efficient, secure, and simple. Cisco, with its partner Ignite Sales, addresses this opportunity with an innovative account opening and product recommendation solution for retail banks. Ignite Sales' cloud-based solution uses sophisticated analytics to present the right set of products after the customer completes a recommendation guide, which is consistent across all channels. During this process, the integrated Cisco Remote Expert mobile solution allows a customer, at their convenience, to connect instantly to the appropriate product expert. The expert guides the conversation using the solution's integrated co-browsing and document sharing capabilities. This advanced solution has a number of important revenue-related benefits. It makes online sales of the entire product line a reality by providing a full-service banking experience on digital channels. It provides valued face-to-face customer service on demand, which is especially beneficial for opening the more complex, higher-margin products which may be new to the customer. And it creates an environment where customers have repeatedly opened more products during their account opening experience. The combined solution also provides critical reporting and sales metrics analysis, giving banks a powerful tool to measure and improve sales processes. The results are up to 150% increase in point-of-sale account opening. Banks everywhere can now create the most consistent cross-channel experience that connects the customer buying process with your institution's selling process. Cisco's Remote Expert Mobile and Ignite Sales, simplifying and revolutionizing the way banks and their customers do business.
Accelerating organic growth across segments, products, and services is a requirement for today's banks. We're going to demonstrate how banks can close the gap between the buying and selling process across digital channels and in the branch, dramatically shortening the important sales cycle. This is just one example of how these solutions can drive organic growth. So we're going to go over and switch over to the demo. Our scenario here is a very typical one. I'm going to play the role of a small business customer who needs to open a business banking account. So I'll start out, maybe going online to research some what products are available. But my first destination is going to be Francisco Finance, which is my bank that I use for my personal business. I'll look through the page and maybe I'll go to see what services fit for my small business. But this is pretty typical, where I'll spend some time trying to look for different options. I may even stop by my local branch that I go to for my personal banking. Or worst off, I could actually go to a competitor's bank that's just down the street near my office. After reviewing the Francisco Finance business banking offer, I come to the conclusion that, hey, okay, I'm just going to go with the bank that I'm familiar with. So if I go in here and we're going to go through a sales process for, let me see if we can get this going. I'm interested in services, so I'm going to use the Ignite enrollment tool where I'm now going to walk through a questionnaire that can help me understand what my business is about. So I'll go through here and you can see I'm already a personal banker, personal service there. I may add additional services onto this. Go through, transactions looks pretty good. And at the end, I get a recommendation of what products and services are available to me. So I've now completed this, the process, and I'm looking through the recommendations. And we all know the challenges of small business products. There's treasury management, merchant services, direct deposit, all these types of things that can be difficult to explain. So at this point, I'm going to reach out to a remote expert to understand what the different products and services are. In this case, had I already logged in, it might have all my information, so I'm going to go ahead and type in some things here. Throw an @ in there, and let's go ahead and contact my advisor. So now I'm connected with a product specialist who can help me with merchant services. Okay, so now I'm connected with my product specialist. He can explain to me the capabilities around merchant services and can help me through and understand what it is I'm trying to do. With Remote Expert Mobile integrated into the Ignite sales solution, the bank has that ability to offer that person-to-person contextual conversation that's typically only available within a branch. So without this assistance, we're basically looking at close rates that are approximately 20 to 50% lower based on what Ignite has found in its over 2 million guide offerings. The advisor in this case explains to me the merchant services and how it'll improve my cash flow, and can go ahead and schedule an appointment for me within the branch. So now as a follow-up, cut back to the presentation, banks have an opportunity to create an opening that's a centerpiece to a compelling onboarding process and acquisition strategy that shortens the important sales cycle and dramatically improves abandonment, resulting in increasing of product sales of 3 times and have a profitability uplift of 150%, as you saw in the video. Using this integrated solution, we've demonstrated how Ignite Sales Recommendation Guide and Cisco's Remote Expert solution allow you to increase revenue through a consistent and comprehensive cross-selling account approach. It sounds like the sharks are here, and I'm